super excited for this package that I have here. We're gonna be trying out these human hair extensions. 100 Remy human hair. This is by the brand Goo Goo. Look at this packaging, how cute. They contacted me and asked me if I wanted to try their hair extensions, and as you can see probably already by the thumbnail of the video, my hair is super short and I did not want to cut it like this. I had to give you more details after. I want to try and see how well these work for like really short hair. I did pick out the color, so have a discount code for you. I'll put it here in the screen. Give you 15% off if you would like to purchase any hair extensions. So we opened the packaging, really cute here. It says changeable life at your fingertips. I love human hair extensions because just like your hair, you can dye it, you can curl it, straighten it, wash it, all of that. Okay, you can do anything you want. So maybe like if you buy it, didn't match perfectly. I don't know how well this is gonna match. I hope I did a good job, but we'll see. Leave all the details of exactly which ones these are in the description for you to check it out. And the brand is Goo Goo Hair. Look how cute. Everything comes really well packaged. Reviewing this, giving you my honest opinion. We'll see the quality, how it feels. Is it easy? I'm not an expert when it comes to like anything hair. Also comes with this little clip. You get this little scrunchie. You get this beautiful little pouch. You can put these inside. You do want to make sure to take very good care of them. Our hair, our scalp produces oils. With this, they don't produce oil, so you want to make sure you have them nice and moisturized, and just be gentle with them, you know, so they can last a really long time. So these are the clip-in hair extensions. Those are not the only ones they sell. You have like a catalog. It shows you all the different types that they have. They have tape-ins, clip-ins. These are clip-ins. They have wire hair, PU clip-in. Have care and styling tips. This shows you. Before we get started, I want to say thank you to Goo Goo Hair for sending this over to me. The video is not sponsored, but this was gifted to me. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Quickly take it out of the packaging. It's like a little net. Gonna be very careful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. I tried not to buy it like one color. This is with highlights. Again, I'll leave you all the details of this one. So I'm just gonna, I hope I don't damage anything. Just gonna take these little things out. Okay, again, they feel so soft. Looks so real, not plasticky, not like a weird shiny, no. It up close, everything looks really well made. Really well made. So here you go. So you can put all the pieces, you don't have to put all the pieces, depends. Let's see how this color looks. You know, almost all the time that I have hair extensions, I usually buy them like really light. So I think like this is a nice blend. This is the one that has 4 clips. So what you do first, if you have one like this, you usually start in the middle. You open all of them up. The clips, here you go. I'll also do a shorts video applying these. Like I said, I'm not an expert. You do have the instructions. I'll apply it as I feel it would fit better. My hair is so thin, I'm trying for them not to look like too noticeable. You see that the placement is not right, just take it off. That is the beauty of this. Other one here, can put it like right on top of that. This section needs more. Obviously, you're not just gonna put in the back, but that's why we have the smaller pieces for this side, made of 3, like this one. So this one has 3. On the website is very easy to navigate. They give you, let's say you like this one, they have like 3 or 4 different lengths that you can choose from, so it's awesome. Plus the fact that you can cut them. Okay, let's see here. And they also have pieces like this, which is just one. You can place them wherever you feel that you need more volume. Try to put it here. How well does that work for I do like the color. I love to buy them like mixed. It's just easier to combine. You can see clearly where my hair is and straighten my hair, and these extensions are like really straight. So there's a little wave in them, but just take the iron and like straighten it really well together. Okay, once you have them on, you want to like style them together. Whether you're curling, waving, braiding, whatever it is. But I would like to put this and just like grab my hair here like this, and like that you can't see anything. Quality, I mean, this is some really nice hair. Highly recommend. Sure to wash them very carefully. Keep it in the beautiful packaging. Let me know what you thought. Here you go. Don't forget to check the description. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.